Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right, so setting up a session inside TwistedWave is actually very simple. Immediately when you open TwistedWave, the first thing that you're going to do is look down to the bottom left-hand corner, and you're going to see 24-bit, 48,000 hertz. Now, if yours reads that, then you're good to go. You can just go ahead and start recording. However, if this reads like 16-bit or 44.1 or something like that, then you're going to need to change these settings. And all you're going to need to do at this point is just go to File, New, and then go ahead and change the settings here. So your bit depth needs to be 24, which ours is, so that's fine. Sample rate needs to be 48,000, which it is, so that's good to go. Channels, mono, unless otherwise stated by casting or anyone else on the project. And then you're just going to click OK. And then now all you have to do is you could go ahead and get rid of the first one that you opened if it was wrong. And now you are recording with the TwistedWave instance with the correct settings. And that's all there is to it.